are the largest privately owned tree business in Florida, and it's a family-run business. There's at least 5 family members right now working out on this site. Our entire byproduct of our company is 100% organic. Nothing goes to waste here. It goes from wood to firewood to mulch to fines that go in compost, soil erosion amendments, you name it. We're always running 24/7. We've owned horizontal grinders before in the past from different manufacturers, and dollar for dollar, the CBI, you can't beat it. One of the reasons we chose CBI is because it was real sturdy, and the track design was great for doing our land clearing operations in remote spots in Florida. And it's phenomenal how it works. It makes sure that every little bit's ground. Some manufacturers, the older they get, you start losing a bit of your product, or the product isn't coming out what you need to give to the customer. We've noticed CBI has been giving us a really great product. And if you look on the conveyor when it comes off, when it's cranking, it's an even flow of good natural product.
My name is Ben Kimber, and I operate these machines and work on them. I really do think that the support team with CBI is great. Everybody works together. There's less downtime with the CBI. Everything's easier to access, and like I said, you don't have to worry about the rods. There's no rods to replace. And basically this, replacing the faceplate, probably take me about 15-20 minutes. And then I'll be able to put an insert back on and ready to rock and roll again.